How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. We just had something happen that's not happened before this cycle, and it's actually a big change. We had a Bitcoin Treasury company sell Bitcoin, so we'll talk about that. We also had a big bounce off of $100,000. So let's talk about that. Some other big things happening in the market. You might notice I sound a little bit different. I actually had deviated septum, so I had a septoplasty a few hours ago. Now, I'm talking before any kind of medications kick in. I'm going to take those after this, but I wanted to make a video earlier this morning. I have to be careful how I talk right now and stuff like that, but I wanted to make a video. They said that I could, right? I can talk, so I can make videos. So I want to give you guys a quick update. Recently I was kicked off YouTube. And this is how much I love YouTube. I love talking to you guys. I love being part of the community. So I'm making videos even when stuff like this happens, or like I've gotten COVID before and I made videos. Just a reminder, this is not financial advice. This is not legal advice. Do your own research. I'm never going to reach out to you either in the comment section or through any other means to try to get you to invest in something that I'm investing in or to send me crypto. Some links underneath the video are affiliate links. I may earn a commission, but this is at no extra cost to you. Of course, do your own due diligence. Oscar Ramos just got banned once again after posting about XRP. B. Diddy, I don't know his YouTube channel name off the top of my head, the All In Bitcoin Family. He got kicked off YouTube now too for 2 weeks. This happened to Levi as well. He's off for 2 weeks. If you want to join me over on Telegram so that you get updates even if I get kicked off, because I just came off of a 1 week suspension, there's a link to my Telegram underneath the video. Also, there's a link to BYDeFi if you want to check out the link tree underneath the video. There you can sign up. We have this trading get up to $10,000 worth of Bitcoin competition going on right now. It's not even really a competition, just depending on how much you trade, you can get some Bitcoin. So check that out underneath the video. Let's start here. The fear and greed index is in fear. This is for the stock market. If we look here though, the Nasdaq's up over 1% today. I think it's off of some good ADP data and China suspending their 24% US tariff and maintaining a 10% tariff. This is good news for markets. Bitcoin's also looking quite good today. You can see a strong bounce off of this 98.7 mark, which is where we fell down back in, I believe it was June. We bounced off the same level. So that's good to see this prior support holding. Very bullish. And you can see just a lot of liquidations over the last 24 hours. Nearly $1 billion in long liquidations, 400 million in short liquidations. Be ready for volatility. You can see that there are a lot more liquidations that would happen if we go up than if we go down over the 30-day. If we look at the 7-day, pretty similar picture. This isn't just for Bitcoin. This is for a lot of altcoins. So this is, I think, pretty bullish. Usually the market goes in the direction that hurts the most traders short term. And yeah, that's to the upside right now. This is also really bad sentiment right now. Like Tyler said this yesterday, nearly 500,000 views on this. This is the worst sentiment he's seen in crypto in 7 years. And he got a lot of hate for saying this. Some people saying, no, April was worse. FTX was worse. The difference is, I'd say this is the worst sentiment for how high the price is, for sure. Like, we're at $100,000 Bitcoin, 104,000, and yet people are panicking. People are losing tons of money. I saw a lot of posts like this. This is the worst day of my life financially. Over 9 million gone instantly. He said this wasn't a rug. It isn't a hack. It was me overconfident, overexposed, and the market did what it does. Reminded me who's in charge. He says this wasn't crazy leverage. It was a safe play. That's just crazy. I'm not sure how he could lose $9.5 million in 24 hours, the majority of his account on safe plays. But yeah, there's nothing super safe in crypto besides maybe Bitcoin on cold storage, right? Like, you have to be ready for massive volatility. And yeah, this is happening more and more and more. People saying that they're leaving crypto completely. Now, something really interesting. Sequans, one of the Bitcoin Treasury companies, became the first Bitcoin Treasury company to sell Bitcoin. It unloaded nearly 1,000 Bitcoin to cut their debt in half from 189 million to 94.5, lowering the debt to NAV ratio from 55% to 39%. So there are corporate treasury companies just de-risking right now. So that could add some selling pressure. I saw that there's some selling pressure from ETFs too. Binance is dumping their Bitcoin below 103,000 to liquidate billions of dollars in long positions. But keep in mind, we've seen these big dumps in the past, right? We've seen 30% drops, 40% drops, 30% drops. This typically precedes another big move. Of course, you have to do your own due diligence, right? I'm not telling you what's going to happen here, but I think it's bullish that we jumped off this level. And I think just in general, with the Fed lowering rates, increasing liquidity, with hopefully the end of the government shutdown coming at some point, because this is the longest government shutdown we've ever seen, hopefully things get better, right? And I'm holding my Bitcoin. I'm not selling it, panicking, or anything like that. Now, if you want to trade, again, you can check out BYDeFi. I did update some positions yesterday. I talked about in videos, but also in the Telegram, I believe. So check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Just going to keep it nice and short here, and I'll see you in the next video.